gonna go check out the crash site of the 71 440 Cuda, see if there's anything that the Cuda hit, maybe a telephone pole or a tree or a dent in the street sign or something, who knows. Maybe we'll come up lucky, maybe we'll find something. I've actually never been up here before, so and I've got my little navigator right next to me. Ain't that right, Daren? Wake up! Put on my nasty hat.
Dumb and Dumber, Josh and Daren are out at the crash site, hopefully following my specific instructions.
Morons. Look at fender and compare it to any trees or poles. I wish I could have done this myself, but I'm busy. Saving the world. Mark.
Well, there's lots of poles. Now that would tear up a car.
All right, so let me get this straight. The driver of the Cuda, they started up there, they started zooming down the street, and he started to lose control right about where that sign is up there.
We don't know where he lost control. All I know is he ended up wrecking right in here.
Okay, so this is the crash zone.
More or less,
over
yeah.
in here somewhere.
If they pay attention to how the car was crushed on the right front and the left rear, all they gotta do is find like a pole.
See that little tag? So go down there, over there, jump the ditch, go over there and get that little number off that big tag. That'll tell us
Or
probably.
I could just take a picture with my phone.
You're not going to be able to read the picture, are you? Oh my. So I'm going to have to go down, go around, read it, right? I'm not going to attempt to jump the ditch.
291609 1405.
No,
TPL.
the one below that.
Fine, Daren. We'll do it your way.
If you would just listen.
I wish you would just listen. I wish that you would just fall apart into
That's
a...
exactly what Mark's talking about, Josh.
No, don't try to make me feel like a bastard.
That's exactly what Mark's talking about.
You don't know what Mark's talking about. You don't know what you were talking about.
I thought you were going to have some athletic ability when you jump across.
I do, Daren. Do you? Well, I hate to break it to you, but the only number that's on here is 2004.
That's when this pole was put in.
Right.
So it's been replaced. It was hard to get you to do that, wasn't it?
Ow!
Did you guys get that on film, I hope? Where it slapped him? That's what you get for being a smart aleck.
I hate you.
Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.